We can't hear you. Can you hear us?
Hey, Scott, you there?
Oh, I think he is. He's just not, I can barely hear him. Hey, can you hear us?
Can you bring your volume up or no?
Hey, talking to your mic.
I can't hear you.
Hey, how about now?
Yeah, can I hear us?
All that matters is you can hear me, I guess.
Can you hear us now? Huh.
Hey, Scott, flip your phone the other way.
Why? Good. At all.
Whoa.
There you go.
That actually puts the microphone on the other end for you guys.
So can you still not hear us?
Just like barely.
Barely?
Can I adjust that on screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, do you got your volume up? I mean, is that your volume all the way up on the phone?
Yes.
But there's still you can like barely hear us?
Try again.
Can
So
you hear us now? Just barely?
But you can hear me clearly.
Yeah.
but buddy, can you hear him? Can you hear him good? Because I can't.
It was better with the phone flipped the other way, I'm sure.
Hey, that was better just then, whatever that was.
And am I able to adjust your volume through the Zoom app on screen?
I do not think so. What's wrong?
Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So hey, so that's the clearest I've heard you yet.
All right. Let me
There we
flip this
go.
back around.
Clearest I've heard you.
What's this like?
Oh, that's better.
1, 2, is that good?
Yeah. Right, Kevin?
We'll get there.
Okay.
Or having sound check.
Can I flip the phone back around to where the microphone is facing you as I intended?
Hey, say that again. All I know is I can hear you now. The best I've heard you on this call. Whatever's happening is good.
Right, I switched on the screen to my phone instead of my speaker. But still, the way I had it set up, you requested me to flip the phone and it's got the microphone away from the speaker.
All right. So we just had you, sideways. Like the visual was you sideways.
Oh,
But you try it again. Try it again and flip it if you want, and see if it flips you again. But
I mean, big investment is pretty good right there, right? There you go. Good, I'm adjusted.
is that good?
Yeah.
yeah, that's good.
I mean, and like you can hear his hands, so it's got good sound.
Yeah.
Should be much better. On this side?
Yes, yes. There you go.
Okay.
Much better. Much better.
Come look, come look. He's waiting for you.
Another time, got in space. Your eyes look through your mother's face. While the flowers see in the standing storm. Good.
Yes.
Sure.
Hey, good on your side, Bundy?
What's that?
I was asking
Yeah.
Bundy. Yeah.
Hey, so what did you do differently now than when we did it the other night? Because you did something that made a big difference.
Okay, I'm just gonna listen. Hang on. Say it again?
You did something that's different. What do you do different now than you didn't do the other night when we tested it?
Because it's a big difference.
Say that again. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm saying that you did something right. It's much different than what it was before. I mean, you fixed it.
And now I can hear you, so this is all positive. I did clean out the ports on my phone. I learned how to switch the microphone setting on the Zoom app here.
That's real good.
I'd rather be somewhere else. I have neighbors and they got to see this. This is covering. That's a mattress in front of my door. This is all brand new to me. So.
Hey, lifestyle of the rich and famous, Scott.
I'm gonna find a location though. It's unavoidable. So this is a good thing.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, that last thing you played, that's the best quality sound we've heard. So that's awesome.
Okay.
Hey, man, and just when you are done or just whenever, just text me your Vimo name or whatever, your Vimo address, Venmo
Okay.
address.
Okay.
We'll send it on just whenever.
More about that later. I haven't
Bundy.
sang in 2 weeks. It's very evident. So, I'll warm up a little bit.
All right. All right. So we'll see you. So, Bundy, have you already sent the other link for 4:30, Bundy?
Nope, what do you want the link texted or emailed, or does it matter? The one for 4:30.
Doesn't matter to me. I'll be looking.
Okay. What I'll do is text the one to you sometime around 4:15 or so. So that would be the one you'll use. It'll just be the last one in the texting thread.
Okay. Let me try one more thing. If you guys have just one more minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Additional wireless speaker. It's real small, but I thought it might help me hear you guys. Yes. Go ahead.
So,
Right. Yeah.
so the only word of caution is when I put on my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth speaker, people can't hear me talk. But Bundy puts his on, and then I can still hear him talk.
Okay. Yesterday, you guys were naturally in my feed coming through my speaker. Now, I didn't have that. Let me see.
I mean, this is way different, Scott, than what it was the other night.
Okay, it's good for you guys. And you guys can just go like, if I play a song you don't like, you can go like this. Or get out of there.
We'll do
Hey,
A&A.
and so again, we'll just, when you pop in at 4:30, we might run our mouth for 30 seconds and then just turn it to you, and then we're gonna mute everybody. So
Yeah.
if you need an audio to come in for you, it'll be Bundy. Like if something goes wrong or whatever, Bundy will pop into you, and he'll be the only one that can talk with
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Or, I mean, what I do, I mean, if there's a time or a situation, whatever, I mean, sitting here, what I can do is mute people just by person, whatever. So we'll see. But though, for the most part, there's be everybody on a mute, unless something happens where would like some discussion. I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to see if I can get you on this real quick.
All right.
All right. Right, Kevin? I mean, I'm just you the judgment on that.
Yeah.
And it to
Just like the hi-hats.
Got y'all.
Oh, good. So that works.
Y'all can say this right here. Can you still hear me there?
So that's affecting your sound.
So you don't need to mute
I
the
can't
phone, I think. Right? Right, Kevin?
What?
Because this is where the echo's coming from, because it's on both sides.
Yeah.
So you need to mute one of them. So you need to mute each other.
Oh, no. How about now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Yes,
You
sir.
can hear me
I don't
fine. And I got you right here.
That's some loud and clear, right?
Hey, Scott,
Yeah.
strum it a few times or something, and let's see what it sounds like. Because there's a little bit of an echo, but I think it's on my end.
Did you have both of them on, Kevin?
No, I turned mine off, but something's echoing. But if it's me, who cares?
Like that.
Is that good? Do y'all have an echo?
That was good.
Yeah. Hey, keep going just 30 seconds.
Run around, chasing up and down. That gonna work? That gonna work?
Right, Kevin? Did you get that echo still? Or did you fix yours?
What you got, Kevin? I can't hear Kevin now.
No, we can't hear you. What about now? You hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can hear Alan, but not Kevin.
Got you, Kevin.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. So I was going to say for me it wasn't as clear, but I don't know if that's on my end or not. It was a little going in and out. So try again, Scott.
I'll start for just a brief period, and then I'll turn the speaker off and then continue.
Okay.
Another time, look out and stay. Your eyes look through your mother's face. Why don't I see you in the sun?
Another time.
Hey, that's 10 times better. The second one, 10 times better, without the speaker on, or whatever that was, the last one.
$1 million studio here.
Hey, did you hear what I said?
No. No, go ahead.
No, when you turned it off or whatever was second was 10 times better, louder, clear.
Okay,
Because-
no speaker,
Yeah,
no speaker then.
yeah,
Trying
yeah,
to get that out of the room.
yeah, way better, man.
That got much clearer and just much cleaner when like you turn that off. It just got crisp again.
Yeah.
It was nice.
What now?
He was just saying the same thing I was saying. When you turn that speaker off, it was so crisp, it was loud, it was perfect.
Okay. So if we need to communicate, just, put your hand up and I'll stop and come up so I can hear you.
Okay, and it'll go all through
Uh,
Bundy.
In fact, I still have an option of quarter-inch jack out of my phone into another channel in my speaker to hear you guys. But
Man,
if
at
this
this
is
point,
working,
yeah, at this point, I wouldn't even mess with it. Whatever that second sound we got was perfect.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we'll leave.
Did he just go out?
No.
No, thanks for your patience.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
man.
no. That's like even better now.
So we're good.
Yes, perfect, man. Perfect. We'll see you at 4:30.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All
So,
right.
can you hear us right now, Scott?
I can.
Oh, right on. All right. See you at 4:30, man. Thank you so much.
See you in the green room.
Thanks, fellas.
All right.
All right. Later. Yeah, man, that's awesome.